Hi, my name is Monica, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Glowic Skin Serum before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Glowic supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Glowic Skin Serum and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. Glowic Skin Serum contains several ingredients, such as ferulic acid, which work together to break down the fat cells hiding under your skin and improve circulation in your body. Glowic has rich antioxidant properties, which are essential in repairing damage caused to your skin barrier. Antioxidants also protect the skin from future damage. Other ingredients include anti-inflammatory properties, which play a crucial role in reducing swelling and redness on your skin. Glowic is, thus, a strong hydrating serum that smoothens abrasions and dimples while moisturizing and plumping up your face. Its formulation also leads to increased collagen production, which studies have shown can assist in eliminating deep fine lines and wrinkles and in firming up your skin. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Glowic supplement and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Glowic Skin Serum for 365 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to Glowic Skin Serum work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Glowic Skin Serum has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Glowic Skin Serum, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Glowic Skin Serum actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.